Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Perlesmith TV wall bracket. It's a swivel tilt television mount for 32 up to 55 inches flat and curved televisions up to 45 kilogram maximum. These are 400 to 400 millimeter. This is cool for your television to mount on the wall, and it comes with an universal compatibility. The Perlesmith television wall mount is suitable for the most 32 up to 55 inches flat and curved televisions up to 45 kilograms. Compatible with the standards of 75 to 75, 100 to 100, 200 to 100, 200 to 200, 300 to 200, 300 to 300, 400 to 200, 400 and 300, 400 millimeter. We have to check the size, the weight and the visa dimensions of our television before we will buy such a TV mount. Optimal viewing angle. This universal television mount is designed with a tilt of 10 degrees upwards, and 10 degrees downwards. A swiveling movement of 45 degrees to the left and right, and a rotation possibility of ±3 degrees for maximum viewing flexibility. We choose the perfect angle for viewing the screen from the best and most comfortable position. We save valuable space here. This TV wall mount can be pulled back to the wall in the initial position up to 8 cm and can also be extended to a maximum of 40 cm from the wall. This saves valuable space and gives our household a nice, well-kept look, and is durable and a safe construction. This large-size television wall mount is made with cold rolled steel, has 2 steel arms, and can support televisions weight up to 45 kilograms. We don't have to worry that our television is in dropping mode. No, it is in a safe hands on this device here. They provide standard assembly materials to make the installation as simple and convenient as possible. It can be mounted on solid concrete walls, brick walls, or solid wood stud walls. We should not mount it on or install the product on a plastic walls or plaster walls or a cabin walls or drywall or soft walls. This is dangerous, okay? Wow, we will choose a Perlesmith television wall bracket. This wall bracket is built to last and comes with a number of useful accessories and all the required hardware we need to make the installation process as simple as possible. With all of the Perlesmith products, this heavy-gauge television wall mount has high standards. It has been tested to hold 4 times the weight it's rated to the based on UL standard. And it tested to hold 4 times the weight they were rated to based on UL standard, and made with high-grade steel. This heavy-duty swivel television mount can hold LED, LCD, OLED, flat screens televisions up to 45 kilograms. And this television wall bracket comes with a ±10 degrees tilt, ±45 degrees swivel. Maximum swivel depends on television size, and ±3 degrees level adjust for maximum viewing flexibility and customize our special viewing experience at home. That's cool. This articulating television wall mount is built with an arm that retracts a mere 8 centimeters from the wall for out-of-the-way convenience, extended up to a maximum of 40 centimeters from the wall, saving us some valuable space and adding a nice, neat appearance to our households. And it's really easy to install, as you can see. We attach the faceplate and the extended bracket to the back of our television, okay? We install our television mount in 30 minutes or less. Then we drill the mounting holes in our wall and then securely attach the wall plate. And finally, we place the television onto the bracket and tighten it. It's really easy. Attach the television brackets to the television. Job's done. Install the wall plate. Easy peasy. And then hang the television. Job's nearly done. Tighten 2 screws. Job's done. Oh yeah. That's easy and that's cool. Because after this we have a good viewing angle by this Perlesmith television wall bracket. With a swivel tail television mount for 32 up to 55 inches, flat and curved televisions, up to 45 kilogram maximum. Weight standard is 400 to 400 millimeter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.